Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay on the YouTube app. So autoplay is when you're browsing through videos to watch and it just automatically starts playing one while you haven't even clicked on it. I'll show you guys how to turn autoplay off on YouTube on mobile. So first things first, head over to the YouTube app. And once you click on it, autoplay is like this. It just starts playing videos no matter what you do. And even if you keep on scrolling, if you stop for a little bit, it'll just start playing the videos. So if you want to turn that off, then first things first, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. So once you click on your profile picture, this page will come up. Here, click on settings, which is near the bottom, right above help and support. Once you find the settings page, click on it. Here, you'll want to click on general, which for me is the second option down. So once you click on general, you'll be brought to the general page, and here, you'll want to scroll down until you see playback in feeds. It's the second last option for me, but it might be different for you. I saw somebody that had it at the very top of their screen, so look around in your general page, and once you find it, click on it. Once you click on it, there will be three options: always on, Wi-Fi only, and off. So if you just want to turn it completely off, then just click on off, and then it'll be done. You can also leave it on Wi-Fi only or something like that if you want, but as you can see, scrolling through it does not automatically make them play it. Even if you hold down on the videos or anything like that, it won't automatically play. So that's how you turn off autoplay in YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.